To draw a slice of orange, you need to draw a circle to start off with. So it doesn't matter if it's not a perfect circle, because you very rarely see an orange being a perfect circle, do you? And then just draw very gently, kind of hesitantly, so that you draw kind of a broken line inside like that. And that's the pith inside it, isn't it? And then right in the middle, which I think is around about there, draw a little circle. And then we're going to draw the segments. And again, you can make them lighter by not pressing so hard. Like that. And we just kind of work our way all the way around the outside. Until we get to the end. That's what you have to do. So you can, this is a bit of a fun, simple drawing. It's like a drawing exercise, actually. So we've got to fit 2 in here now. But you could use it for Christmas as well, because you use slices of orange and things for Christmas decoration things, don't you? And then we want to have these kind of, these things need to sort of face around the clock like that, the same direction as the segment. Those funny little bits that you get inside an orange. There! All you have to do is colour it in. And thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye!